Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters, where today we're diving into the best woodworking tools you can get for under $150. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your toolkit, we've rounded up 20 reliable, budget-friendly tools that deliver great value without compromising on quality. Face frame clamps. The face frame cabinet clamps are priced at $38 and are designed to make cabinet installation faster and more precise by allowing you to tighten, align, pre-drill, and secure cabinet styles without removing or readjusting the clamp. They fit styles up to 1 1/5 inches thick, with a 2 to 4 1/5 inch opening capacity, feature a 2 2/5 inch jaw width, and deliver 300 to 600 pounds of clamping force. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil. The Nicpro Carpenter Pencil set is priced at $9.99 and includes 2 solid Carpenter pencils, 26 pieces of 2.8mm refills, a replaceable sharpener, and a plastic storage box, giving you a complete marking solution for woodworking and construction. Designed with a 45mm elongated tip, the deep hole marker pencil reaches into tight spaces and small holes where standard markers can't. Countersink Drill Bit Set. The Countersink Drill Bit Set is priced at $29 and includes 5 high-speed steel tapered bits in sizes 1/8 inch, 9/64 inch, and 5 32 inch drills with 3/8 inch 82-degree counterbores, plus 11/64 and 3/16 inch drills with 1/2 inch 82-degree counterbores, all featuring a 1/4 inch hex shank. Designed for versatility, the set works with natural wood, chipboard, plywood, MDF, decking, drywall, and various plastic boards. Micro Detail Sander Kit. The Micro Detail Sander Kit is priced at $6 and includes 90 sandpapers ranging from coarse 60 grit to fine 400 grit, making it ideal for wood crafts, plastic, and metal polishing. The lightweight PU foam sanding block is ergonomically designed for comfort and precision, allowing you to easily reach tight spaces, narrow edges, and intricate details without hand fatigue. Corner Clamp. The corner clamp is priced at $43.99 and features a 90-degree angle design with a maximum clamping range of approximately 2.75 inches, a jaw width of 3.74 inches, and a jaw depth of 1.38 inches. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy die casting, it offers strength and durability with a non-slip rubber handle for a comfortable grip. REEKON M1 Caliber Measuring Tool. Clamping to most saw fences, this $149 digital measuring tool displays precise readings on a backlit LCD as material slides under its wheel. It cuts up to 3 times faster, supports English block metric units, and works with various saws for miter, bevel, compound, and straight cuts, eliminating the need for a tape measure or pencil. Dual Spindle Dowel Jointer. The Dual Spindle Dowel Jointer is priced at $139 and features an adjustable tilt fence that locks anywhere from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, enabling precise and reliable angled joints. It offers both double and single drilling for fast, accurate jointing, with variable drill depths up to 38mm to match specific project needs. CA Glue with Activator. The CA Glue with Activator is priced at $19 and delivers a fast, strong, and professional bond for both industrial and personal projects. This 2-part adhesive cures in just 5 to 12 seconds with the activator and up to 2 minutes without it. The aerosol activator provides a fine, controlled mist for clean application, while the glue's viscous formula prevents mess, ensuring precise and reliable results. Rubber Mallet. The Rubber Mallet is priced at $11 and features a durable rubber head for soft, non-damaging strikes. Its extra-strength fiberglass handle is designed with shock absorption for reduced impact, while the ergonomic non-slip rubber grip ensures comfort and control. Suitable for a wide range of tasks, it's ideal for flooring, tent stakes, woodworking, jewelry making, laminate installation, soft blow applications, construction, automotive work, and carpentry. Double-sided woodworking tape. The double-sided woodworking tape is priced at $36 and features an anti-curling backing for easy handling during installation. Its industrial-grade adhesive offers strong shear resistance without leaving residue or damaging wood surfaces. With solid tensile strength, it's trusted by woodworkers for CNC router applications, providing a secure hold that can withstand high rotational speeds. Square combination. The square combination is priced at $22 and includes a durable aluminum triangle ruler paired with a sturdy zinc alloy square ruler, ideal for woodworking, crafts, and handicraft projects. It features precise metric and SAE measurement markings for accuracy, a secure grip design with textured edges, and a locking mechanism for stability. Wood carving kit. The wood carving kit is priced at $49 and includes 8 premium wood sharpening knives, 4 detailed carving knives, a tracing kit, and a pair of cut-resistant gloves for safe and precise crafting. Each tool features an ergonomic walnut handle for comfort during extended use, while the high-carbon steel blades are razor-sharp, corrosion-resistant, and honed for exceptional edge performance. Shelf Pin Jig. The Shelf Pin Jig is priced at $53 and allows you to drill 11 shelf pin holes in one pass for faster, more accurate shelf installation. It comes with a sturdy canvas storage bag, 1/4 inch and 5mm drill bits, and matching knurled and striped bushings for easy identification. Adjustable hole-to-edge distances of 37mm, 50mm, and 64mm make it versatile for different shelving designs, from bookshelves to kitchen cabinets. Corner clamps. The corner clamps are priced at $29 and are crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with CNC machine precision for accurate 90-degree and 45-degree angles. Designed for ease of use, they secure corners without the need to hold pieces manually, saving time and ensuring consistent alignment. Suitable for T-joints, corners, boxes, cabinets, drawers, frames, and picture assemblies, these clamps also feature an aligning shoulder to quickly position board edges for efficient and accurate clamping. Trend EasyScribe. This versatile scribing tool works on doors, worktops, skirting, flooring, panels, tiling, and more. Priced at $31, it features an articulated arm with 0.04 to 1.57-inch offset adjustment, a 0.02-inch guide plate for narrow gaps, a flat base for stability, and a 0.03-inch pencil line for high accuracy. HOTO Rotary Toolkit. This rotary toolkit handles grinding, cutting, polishing, and carving on wood, metal, plastic, and more. Ideal for DIY repairs and crafts. Priced at $59, it offers a quiet 4V motor, 5-speed control for precision, and 35 accessories with a storage case. It even doubles as a dog nail grinder. Track Saw Square. This track saw square delivers fast, accurate miter cuts from -60 degrees to 60 degrees with 11 precision angle stops, including 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 30 degrees, and 22.5 degrees. Priced at $45, its CNC machine for perfect 90-degree alignment, mounts front or back on the rail, and is made from durable aluminum alloy in a compact portable design. Dowel Jig Kit. This self-centering dowel jig kit ensures perfectly aligned holes for precise, secure shelf installation. Priced at $39, it's designed for invisible floating shelf supports and includes a 1/2-inch wide, 9.8-inch drill bit, ideal for brackets 6 to 8 inches and smaller, offering a complete solution for doweling and floating shelf projects. InstaGauge Block. The InstaGauge Block is priced at $29 and includes 16 precision aluminum alloy setup blocks, including the Easy Block, for quickly setting the height of fences, blades, and bits. Each block features unique ruler markings, making it the only 16-piece set with graduations on every bar for quick, on-the-fly measurements. Wood Moisture Meter. The Wood Xavier Wood Moisture Meter is priced at $19 and offers both pin and pinless scanning modes, making it suitable for a wide range of materials. Pinless mode is ideal for fine surfaces like high-quality furniture or antiques, while pin mode provides fast, accurate readings for construction lumber, drywall, and wood panels. Capable of measuring materials such as wood and concrete, it's also useful for detecting wall leaks and checking firewood dryness. Thanks for joining us on this tour through affordable woodworking gear. Subscribe for more tips, reviews, and recommendations to fuel your woodworking passion. Until next time, keep building and keep busting those chops.